Mga pamangkin, once again, history is calling. Sa mundo ng music fandoms, isa lang ang ultimate showdown. The Billboard Fan Army Face-Off. Dito naglalaban-laban ang pinakamalalaking artist at kanilang fans mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. At sa laban na to, muli na naman pinatunayan ng SB19 at 18 na wala silang takot kahit sino pa ang kaharap. From 17 to Shakira to Taylor Swift to Rihanna, lahat sila nakalaban na ng SB19 at ngayon sa 2025 finals nakaharap nila ang isa sa pinakamalaking pangalan ng global pop, Selena Gomez. Bago ang lahat, ang tanong ng bayan, ano nga ba ang Billboard Fan Army Face-Off? It's a global online poll by Billboard kung saan naglalaban-laban ng fandoms ng iba't ibang artist. Hindi to based sa sales or charts, kundi sa fans' dedication. Ibig sabihin, kung sino ang pinaka-active at solid na fandom. Ang isa pang bakit importante manalo? Una, global visibility. Imagine, milyon-milyon ang bumuboto at nakasubaybay. Kung sino ang panalo, spotlight agad sila sa Billboard, one of the biggest music platforms worldwide. At para sa mahal nating lima, ang SB19, malaking bagay to kasi it puts them side by side with global artists like Taylor Swift, Rihanna, Selena Gomez, BTS, 17 at marami pang iba. Nalawa, validation ng fandom power. Hindi lang tutungkol sa trophy, kundi patunay na sobrang solid at active ang fandom. Kapag nanalo, nagiging proof of loyalty ng fans at syempre, nakikita rin dito ng mga brands, media at even music industry insiders. At ang pangatlo, cultural pride. Para sa SB19, hindi lang sila nagre-represent ng sarili nila, kundi ng buong P-pop at Pilipinas. Ang ngatlong tanong, what do artists actually get? Unang-una, recognition from Billboard. Usually, may official article at feature na ibinibigay. Ang alawa, bragging rights. Hindi lahat ng artist na bibigyan ng chance to claim ng world's strongest fan army. Pantatlo, increased hype and attention. Mas nadadagdagan ng opportunities, fresh coverage at minsan nagiging dahilan para makilala panalo sa ibang bansa. Walang physical trophy or cash prize dito. It's more about prestige, recognition, and exposure. It proves na hindi lang basta may fans ang artist, kundi may solid at loyal fandom behind them. At ang isa pang tanong, kaya ba ulit ng 18 na ipanalo ang SB19? Kaya ba nila makuha ang pinakahihintay na third victory? We are now in the final round of the Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2025. At this time, it's SB19 versus Selena Gomez and her Selenators. Pero bago tayo dumiretso sa laban ngayon, balikan muna natin kung paano nagsimula ang journey na ito. Year 2022, isang taon na halos sumasabog ang pangalan ng SB19 sa global scene at dito, unang beses silang sumali sa Billboard Fan Army Face-Off. Aba syempre, marami nagulat kasi kalaban nila noon malalaking fandoms worldwide. Pero, what they didn't know, iba ang pusong 18, walang tulugan, walang sawang bumoto. And, against all odds, SB19 won their very first fan army crown. Grabe isang P-pop group from the Philippines nag-champion against international fan bases first time in history. Fast forward to 2024, sabi ng iba, baka tsamba lang yung una. Pero, mali sila. Once again, 18 stood strong. Round after round, walang atrasan. Until the very end, SB19 defended their title. And just like that, back-to-back champions na ang ating boys. 2 beses mga pamangkin. Kaya hindi na siya simpleng panalo, it became a statement. 18 is one of the strongest fandoms in the world. And now, here we are, 2025. The stakes are higher, the competition tougher. SB19 versus Selena Gomez. Selena is ang global superstar na supported by millions worldwide. And the Selenators, grabe ang lakas. Kaya hindi biro tong final round na to. Pero, isipin nyo to, SB19 galing sa Pilipinas, standing side by side with one of the biggest pop icons. This alone is proof na hindi na lang tayo basta local fandom, we are global. At isa pa ulit tanong, can SB19 achieve the impossible? Can we, 18, bring home the third consecutive Billboard Fan Army crown? Kaya kung mangyayari yan, SB19 will win tripit in this competition. Hindi lang ito panalo for the boys, panalo ito para sa buong P-pop. Panalo ito para sa Pilipinas. Kaya naman mga pamangkin, sa laban na ito, hindi pwedeng kampante. We need every vote, every click, every share. Walang iwanan, walang titigil hanggat di pa tapos ang round. At syempre, respeto rin natin ang kalaban. Selenators are strong and passionate. Kaya ang laban na to, hindi hate. It's all about love and loyalty sa ating mga idols. Kaya naman mga pamangkin, we've done it before, twice, and together, we can do it again. SB19 is ready, 18 is ready, let's make history once more. For Pablo, for Josh, for Stel, for Ken, for Justin, for SB19, for 18, for the Philippines. Tara na mga pamangkin, let's go for the tripit!
This has been SB19! Maraming salamat po!